I really.
No. Luckily, I chose spandex. I'm the Spider-Man for all. I'm alive! Grab him!
Don't kill me.
We won't. We'll just put you in prison for
So many times. I'm getting sick and tired of it.
I tell you these days, hey?